Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add credit card to YNAB account. To add a credit card on YNAB, first of all, open the YNAB application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you are signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the Add Accounts button on the top of the screen. Now, under the Add Account button, select Unlinked option and then give a nickname to your account. Now, right where it says what type of account you are adding, tap on the drop down and tap on Credit Card. Enter your current account balance on the next field and then tap Next. Soon after you do that, you will be able to select how do you plan to pay off the balance and then tap Next. Select the month and year when you would like to pay the balance off by and tap on Next. Now click Next once again and you have successfully added a credit card on YNAB. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.